Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook cucumber with shrimp. First, prepare your shrimp by peeling and deveining them thoroughly. Then, slice 2 medium cucumbers into half-moon shapes, about 1/4 inch thick. Set these aside, ready for cooking, ensuring all your ingredients are prepped and within easy reach before you turn on the heat. This simple preparation makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Once your skillet is hot, add about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, then toss in your prepared shrimp. Cook them for about 2 minutes per side, just until they turn pink and opaque. Remove the shrimp from the pan and set them aside. In the same pan, add 1 clove of minced garlic and a ½ teaspoon of grated fresh ginger. Sauté these aromatics for about 30 seconds until they are fragrant, being careful not to burn them. Now, return the cooked shrimp to the pan with the fragrant garlic and ginger. Add all of your sliced cucumbers, tossing gently to combine everything. Pour in your pre-mixed sauce, which should include 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of white pepper. Stir constantly for about 2 minutes, allowing the cucumbers to soften slightly while still retaining a crisp bite. The sauce will thicken slightly as it heats. Your cucumber and shrimp stir-fry is now ready to be enjoyed. Garnish the dish generously with fresh, thinly sliced green onions for a pop of color and flavor. Serve it immediately over a bed of warm, fluffy white rice or your favorite grain. For an extra touch, you might sprinkle on some toasted sesame seeds. This complete meal offers a wonderful balance of textures and tastes, perfect for a quick, satisfying dinner in under 20 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.